Today, the first episode of Season 3 of The Mandalorian dropped on Disney+, and I enjoyed it, but it didn't feel super cohesive. Sad to say, this episode's writing feels less organic and more like it was written by studio notes interfering with the artistic vision. It felt a bit overstuffed, even though the episode is only about half an hour, but a lot goes on, and it doesn't really flow that well. Honestly, for a season opener, it left me kind of underwhelmed. This episode feels very unfocused and more like Mando going on a bunch of side quests. Mando needs to find the Mines of Mandalore in order to be accepted as Mandalorian again, but before he can do that, he needs to fix IG-11, and then he goes off to fight a bunch of space pirates, one of whom kind of reminded me of Davy Jones from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies, and yeah, it's a lot for one episode, especially for one that's less than 45 minutes. Now, what I meant earlier about the episode feeling like it was written by committee is that in addition to the already overstuffed plot, the episode feels the need to check off all of the safest boxes. We need to make sure you have a space battle. We need a lot of cute moments with Grogu. We need space whales for some odd reason. I don't know. Given that this is the season opener, it should have felt a lot more epic than it was, but it honestly left me kind of underwhelmed. Like, you have at least 8 or 9 episodes, maybe more, this season. You don't need to stuff 3 episodes worth of plot into one episode, and yeah, I don't know, it felt a little unfocused. It probably should have had a better narrative flow. So, I enjoyed it, but what are you gonna do? It needed a more cohesive way of telling the story. Let me know what you guys thought about Mandalorian Season 3 for the first episode. I'll see you next week.